with Rhino. My name is Ryan, and today I want to go ahead and walk you through a program that I just found called Systemeio. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing or have been in the affiliate marketing business for some time, you know all about funnel builders, and some of the big ones out there are like ClickFunnels, which cost $97 a month. And if you're just getting started out, budget is always a factor when trying to scale and launch an online business. So I wanted to share with you Systemeio in this website here, because not only does it give you everything that you need like ClickFunnels, it does it for a way better price, and I'll share that with you in just a minute. So what Systemeio is, it's the easiest and fastest way to grow an online business, because it gives you all of the tools that you need in one place, so you don't have to go to multiple websites. As you can see right there with the check marks, cool thing about it is it actually has a plan that is free forever, and there's no credit card required to sign up, which is a huge selling point. So there's 6 tools that the system provides you, and again, all of this is on the free plan. They give you the sales funnels, so you can create your own sales funnels and build them. They give you email marketing, so you can start an email marketing campaign to your customers. They allow you to produce online courses so you can sell them. They give you free website builders. You can run affiliate programs from this one website, and you can run automation marketing, so you can literally grow your business faster with minimal effort. Now, the best part that I told you about is, again, not only does it all give you this in one place, just look at the value that they give you. You can save at least $320 per month. So for funnel builders out there like that, some like ClickFunnels start at $97 a month. This is actually free. Other email marketing platforms out there, like 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧, they can start at $20 a month. Guess what? It's included in here for free. Membership hosting, some of those sites cost $99 a month. Again, Systemeio is free. Affiliate marketing programs, as you can see, the value that they give you, it's just insane. So all in one place, you can get all of this for free and literally start to scale and build your online business with very little out-of-pocket expense. Now, if you're wanting to go ahead and get started with this Systemeio, go ahead and check out the link down below in the description of this video, and you should see a link right there that will take you directly over to this page to sign in and start utilizing this tool to help grow your online business. Now, in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the dashboard and teach you what all of this is, and just kind of show you the inner workings of Systemeio. So if you haven't already, you can go ahead and check out that video next. As always, thank you for staying around and watching this video. If you like this content, just please make sure to like and subscribe this video, and go ahead and share it with someone else. I look forward to seeing you and talking to you on the next video. Have a great day.